Hello everyone. So today we are going to see a new feature on PowerPlay which lets us to order and material using a different unit than the one we use for the inventory. This helps us to create a purchase order with a different unit than we use to manage the inventory. But first, let's understand why this feature is required and where it will come in handy. Now, let's assume you have a material of cement and in the site you measure it as per the number of bags used or consumed. But in this case, let's assume that you procure the cement in the unit of tons from the vendor. So whenever you are creating a purchase order, you'll have to create a purchase order in terms of tons. But in the inventory, you'll be using bags. So this new feature will let us to manage both of these cases. Now, let's understand how to do this. So as you can see on my screen, we have a request of a cement here. Now I'll just click on create order and I'll enable the option of add different UOM for invoice. The request, as you can see, is for the 1,000 bags from the site team. And for the quantity of invoice, this is where I'll make the changes for the unit of tons. I'll select the ton as units. Now let's assume this is 10 tons. I will enter the unit price of the cement per ton for the invoice. Now let's assuming this is 400 per unit. Now we have the amount here. If I want to add the GST or discount, I can do those from here and I'll click on continue. And here we will mention the rest of the details like vendor name, the expected delivery date, the delivery address, billing address, term details, the customer notes, and the payment terms.